Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mystic Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang Selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop. Pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 11 to 17, 2023. This is a general reading, so maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs ninyo. Para sa iba pang mensahe, meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. And just a reminder, Sagittarius, that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay. Let's see, Sag, ano ang overall energy ninyo for this week? You have the Three of Wands. Very, kayo ngayon, creative and expansive. So, you're going to be busy. Marami kang gagawin. You will be going to different places. Pwedeng meron kang mga asikasuhing, dokumento, or mga activities para sa ikauunlad mo. So, pwedeng ikauunlad ng sarili mo. Meron kang in-applyan na trabaho na nag-aasikaso ka ng papers mo. Yung iba naman dito is mga permits, no? Kung kayo ay nagbe-business or marami kayong pupuntahan basically. So this is your challenge. You have the Knave of Wands. So maaring merong hindi pagkakasundo sa isang fire sign, kapareho nyo na fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or merong maari ring tatamarin ka. Ito yung tipong marami kang gustong gawin, marami kang plano, pero may mga pagkakataon na tatamarin ka, ayaw mong kumilos. Kailangan kumilos. So, this is your opportunity, the Hanged Man. Meron kang opportunity na pag-isipan yung situation mo ngayon, if this is really what you want. Kasi kung ayaw mong mag-take ng action, ayaw mong kumilos, aalamin mo ano yung reason behind that. Maybe merong dahilan kung bakit ayaw mong gawin ang isang bagay. Pwedeng hindi talaga yun yung gusto mo. Pwedeng napipilitan ka lang. May nagpe-pressure lang sa'yo. Ganon. So, this is your blessing. You have the World card. So, as a blessing, merong merong magpa-finalize dito Merong matatapos na chapter sa buhay mo. So, I think, ang nakikita ko rito is, yung current situation mo ngayon, you feel like, kaya parang hindi ka na ganun ka ganado, inspired, dahil maaring nandun ka na sa point na gusto mo nang may baguhin or tapusin. And you want to experience something new, something refreshing, ganon. What is the Three of Wands? Temperance, oo. Pwede kasing matagal ka nang naghintay ng opportunities na gusto mo pero hindi mo nakukuha. So ngayon, ikaw na mismo yung gagawa ng paraan. So what is the Knave of Wands? The Two of Cups. Some of you, maaring gusto nyo na merong tumulong sa inyo or mag-assist sa inyo dito sa changes na gagawin nyo. So, pwedeng mahirapan kayo sa paghahanap niyan, lalo na kung ipipilit nyo siya, no? So, I think kung meron kang gustong taong tumulong sa'yo, you have to make sure na interesado rin siya sa task na gagawin niya at meron talaga siyang concern sa'yo. So, what is the Hanged Man? You have the Queen of Wands. You have the opportunity to stop procrastinating and do it, no? Kasi the Queen of Wands is the energy of someone who is easygoing but at the same time free-spirited, and alam mo yung tipong sinusundan niya lang kung nasaan yung passion niya. So for some of you, you are going to follow your passion. Lalo na kung hindi na kayo kontento or masaya sa situation nyo ngayon, sa ginagawa nyo. So you will tell to yourself na okay, I'm done. Tapos na tong chapter na to and I'm starting something new. You have the King of Coins here, so ikaw na ang magte-take over ng iyong career. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, business, you will start your own business, or magiging self-employed ka na, ayaw mo na minamandohan ka ng boss mo, you want to be your own boss. Yung iba naman sa inyo, as a blessing, you have an opportunity to travel abroad or to work abroad with a better pay, no? Mas maganda, mas mataas yung sweldo. So, meron ditong contemplation. Yung iba nagwo-worry sa mga changes na yan. Yung iba umiiwas. Iniisip nyo kasi parang hindi nyo kaya. But, believe in the impossible. You can do it. Oo. Kumbaga, hinihintay lang kayo ng universe na mag-take ng action. Kailangan kasi, kumbaga, hinihintay kayo na gumalaw. Pag gumalaw na kayo, saka na kayo baback upan ng universe. Okay? So, it's time for you to free yourself from this situation na alam mong gusto mong may magbago pero wala ka namang ginagawa. So, kailangan meron ka talagang gawin para ma-reach mo yung gusto mong mapuntahan. Diba? You have the Sun and Sagittarius in the 9th house. 9th house is about higher learning. So, yung iba sa inyo may mga pag-aaralan or meron kayong tutuklasin or i-research pa ng mga bagong knowledge na interesado kayo. Or yung iba naman, travel opportunities talaga to. You have Mars in Taurus in the 2nd house. So, ito na raw. Mars is about taking action, being, not just impulsive, but being powerful, no, in pursuing your dreams when it comes to handling your finances and yung mga income, no. So kailangan daw na mag-take ka na ng action at magplano nung mga practical steps towards your goals when it comes to your income. And you also have Jupiter in Libra in the 7th house. 7th house is about connections, partnerships. Jupiter. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, if you are in a relationship, you will reach out to your romantic partner na tulungan ka sa mga ipupurso mo sa buhay, no? Bigyan ka ng assistance. And kung hindi naman kung iba naman to is, this can be yung partner mo, business partner. Oo, you may be collaborating with some people. So, sa career mo, importante raw na meron kang determination in achieving your goals. Keep doing what works well for you. So, dun nakasalalay sa determinasyon mo ang iyong tagumpay. You are becoming more mature in handling your finances. Taking responsibilities are exciting but challenging. It's time to be dependable. So, ayun. Maaaring iba sa inyo, yung magsosolo na, no? Yung pwedeng aalis na kayo sa poder ng parents ninyo, or you will be on your own. Na ikaw mismo yung may decision, may kalayaan ka na magdesisyon para sa sarili mo. So, sa love naman, potential, o may mga, dyan, ka-talking stage. So, pwedeng you are connecting with someone na merong potential ang inyong relationship. Tapos may separation. Baka may potential na mag-separate. Bakit naman ganun? Oo. So, yung iba, pwede kasing nasa talking stage, tapos iniisip mo, mukhang may potential tong relationship na to. But sabi rito, you both need time and space to figure things out. So, maaring pag-isipan mo muna if this is the person talaga na gusto mong makasama moving forward. Or baka parang, lang, na-excite ka lang, 'di ba? Oo. So, pwede rin namang You just came from a separation, tapos nagmamadali ka naman na magkaroon agad ng relationship. So, bigyan mo muna ng time and space yung sarili mo to figure things out if you are ready for a relationship. Okay? Para hindi naman masayang yung potential ng connection na to. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Sagittarius. See you again.